Alright, we're on lesson 7-4, page 363. We're going to start with example 2 today. We're going to talk about breaking even. When you go into business, let's say our business is the CTS concession stand, okay? You purchase chips and candy and hot dogs and popcorn and drinks. And you purchase them and then you turn around and you sell them to people at the ball game. Well, it costs you some money to go purchase them. It's going to cost you some electricity to run your cooler and your hot dog warmer and your popcorn machine. And so at the end of the night, after you have paid your bills and paid for your food, whatever money is left over is called profit. And if the profit is 0, we have just broke even, okay? That's what a break-even point is. It's where you don't make money, you don't lose money, you just get back what money you have. For example, if you went to Walmart and you bought pencils, and you paid 10 cents a piece for them, and you brought them to school and you sold them to your friends for 10 cents a piece, would you make any money? No. Would you lose any money? No. But your time and your effort, kind of waste. So there's a break-even point, and that's where your cost and your income are equal to each other. Okay? So let's write that on our paper. Break-even is when your cost is equal to your income. They may call the cost expenses, but you understand what that means. Okay, so we're going to look at example 2. Suppose a model airplane club publishes a newspaper. Expenses are 90 cents for printing and mailing each copy, plus $600 total for research and writing. The price of the newsletter is $1.50 per copy. That's the person, that's the consumer coming to purchase it. They're going to pay $1.50 per copy. How many copies of the club newsletter must they sell to break even? So we need to write two equations. We need to say, okay, what's our cost? How much does it cost us to produce this newspaper? Go back to that sentence where it says expenses are. What does it tell you? What do you think? Jared, what do you think? Read that sentence to me where it says expenses are. 90 cents. 90 cents. What am I supposed to do with 90 cents? Does it just cost 90 cents? Plus 600? What, Tom?
It's 90 cents per copy.
90 cents per copy. Every one that they run through the machine is 90 cents. So it's 90 cents times X. I'm going to let X equal number of copies. Okay? 90 cents times X, and then what did you say, Jonathan? Plus 600. Does that $600, do they charge me that one time or for every copy? Just one time. Just one time. That's the fee for writing and researching. And this is what it costs to print every copy. Once we get it done one time, we're just going to make a whole bunch of different copies, and it's 90 cents for each copy, okay? What about the income? How are we going to receive money when we're doing this project? People are going to come up to you and buy a copy of this. What are they going to give you when you give them a copy? Money. How much money? $1.50. How many times are they going to give you $1.50? We don't know, but they're going to give you $1.50 for every copy. Do we have a variable already named that represents number of copies? What is that? X. Now, we want to know the break-even point. So we want to know when cost and income are the same. So my equation turns out to be 0.90x plus 600 equals $1.50x. Question? Did you have a question?
I don't get how you got that equation that data.
Okay. We want to know when cost is equal to income. So we want to know when this and this have the same value.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now, how do you solve this? What's the algebra behind this? What do you think we ought to do first? Subtract the 90x. So 600 equals okay. And then what do? Divide. X is 1,000. What does that tell you? Okay, so we got 1,000. 1,000 what? 1,000 copies. If you sell 1,000 copies, you break even. So if you do this research, and you write these articles, and you print these newsletters, and you mail them, and 1,000 people partake in this, you have not lost one dime. Have you made any money? No. So at the end of all this big process, you've shared a wealth of information, and if that was your purpose, then good for you. If you were trying to make enough money to go to Sonic and get a Coke, have we succeeded in that? No. That's what break-even is. I want you to understand, break-even is where you just get your money back. Okay? If you are in business and your business is non-profit, then you're fine with that. You just want to break even. But if your business is making money and you intend to live on that money, you might need to sell a few more newsletters. Okay. Let me pick out a few problems for you to do from this lesson tonight. We're going to still be on the same lesson tomorrow, but we're about out of time. So on page 365, I need you to do number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5, and number 6. I'm giving you 5 homework problems because I know these are word problems that are going to require you to do some thinking. Okay?
$365